Pleated skirt, pleated skirt, pleated skirt. She wore a navy pleated skirt to school. Ruffled skirt, ruffled skirt, ruffled skirt. She twirled around in her ruffled skirt. Sarong, sarong, sarong. She wrapped a colorful sarong around her waist. Slacks, slacks, slacks. She paired her slacks with a white blouse for work. Sheath dress, sheath dress, sheath dress. She looked elegant in a black sheath dress. Sheath skirt, pencil skirt, sheath skirt, pencil skirt, sheath skirt, pencil skirt. She wore a pencil skirt with high heels. Skirt, skirt, skirt. She bought a floral skirt for summer. Skort, skort, skort. She wore a skort for a sporty yet feminine look. Trapeze dress, trapeze dress, trapeze dress. She chose a trapeze dress for a comfortable summer outfit. Tunic dress, tunic dress, tunic dress. She wore a tunic dress over her leggings. Wedding dress, wedding dress, wedding dress. She looked like a princess in her wedding dress. Blazer, blazer, blazer. He wore a navy blazer to the meeting. Bow tie, bow tie, bow tie. He looked elegant in a tuxedo with a red bow tie. Boxer shorts, boxer shorts, boxer shorts. He prefers wearing boxer shorts rather than briefs. Boxy tee, boxy tee, boxy tee. She paired her boxy tee with high-waisted jeans. Business suit, business suit, business suit. He always wears a business suit to work. Cardigan, cardigan, cardigan. She put on a cozy cardigan on a chilly morning. Chinos, chinos, chinos. He prefers chinos over jeans for a smart casual look. Dinner jacket, dinner jacket, dinner jacket. He wore a black dinner jacket to the gala. Hawaiian shirt, Hawaiian shirt, Hawaiian shirt. He wore a bright Hawaiian shirt to the beach party. Jorts, jorts, jorts. He paired his jorts with a white t-shirt. Kilt, kilt, kilt. He wore a traditional Scottish kilt for the ceremony. Polo shirt, polo shirt, polo shirt. He wore a navy polo shirt with khaki pants. Rugby shirt, rugby shirt, rugby shirt. He bought a striped rugby shirt for the match. Suit, suit, suit. He looked professional in a well-tailored suit. Tailcoat, tailcoat, tailcoat. The groom wore a black tailcoat for the wedding. Three-piece suit. Three-piece suit. Three-piece suit. He arrived at the meeting in a classic three-piece suit. Track pants. Track pants. Track pants. He wore track pants and a hoodie to the gym. Tuxedo, tuxedo, tuxedo. He looked handsome in a black tuxedo at the gala. Vest, vest, vest. He wore a white vest under his shirt. Waistcoat, waistcoat, waistcoat. His three-piece suit included a stylish waistcoat. Bathrobe, bathrobe, bathrobe. She put on a soft bathrobe after showering.